Hello guys, Canada Day is coming up as well as Independence Day for the United States. And if you're from one of these countries or any other countries, then if you want to put a flag on your WordPress website, here's how you do it. First, go to Wikipedia, download your country's flag, and then add it to media. Add new, browse, find the flag, upload, select, copy URL, close. Then you have to install a plugin, add new, insert headers and footers. As you can see, I already have it installed. This is by the wonderful WP Beginner. So after you have it installed, go to settings, insert headers and footers, go to the bottom in the footer section, copy over this code which I'm going to post in the YouTube description, as well as at flowereconomics.com and the troubleshooting forum. So this is the URL that we earlier copied from the image in the media section, and this part specifies the width and the height of the icon, and this is the class which we are going to edit right now. So save it, go to appearance, customize, go to the bottom, go to additional CSS. As you can see right now, the Canadian flag appears at the bottom left. I want it to be at the center, so I'm going to copy over the CSS for that. So now it's in the center. Publish, and you're done.